What is a FPV drone? To put it simply, FPV drones are racing and stunt drones designed for first-person view flight. They are manually controlled, fly at extremely high speeds, can weave through tight spaces, and perform flips. In the world of aviation, they fall more into the category of model aircraft. The most core characteristics of an FPV drone. FPV first-person view. When flying with FPV goggles, it feels as if you're sitting inside the aircraft yourself, allowing you to see the view from the nose of the aircraft in real time. An incredibly immersive experience. Fully manual control. No return to home, auto hover, or position hold orbiting. Everything is controlled by the joystick. Flying, rolling, and emergency braking all depend on your skill. Extremely fast and highly maneuverable. It easily reaches speeds of 100 kilometers per hour and can perform 360-degree rolls, backward flight, sideways flight, fly through gateways, and navigate around forests, feats that ordinary drones simply cannot achieve. Open frame racks typically lack additional protection. They feature a simple, lightweight, and rugged design, primarily designed for racing and freestyle. FPV drones versus aerial photography drones. A comprehensive comparison and summary. Positioning and purpose. Aerial photography drone is designed for stable aerial photography and video recording, making it ideal for travel photography, scenic aerial shots, wedding videography, and everyday documentation. It features fully automatic, user-friendly flight controls. FPV drones are designed for racing, freestyle, stunts, and immersive first-person view FPV flight. They are ideal for flying through forests, capturing unique perspectives, high-speed tracking shots, and competitive racing. Difficulty of control. Standard drones. Extremely user-friendly for beginners. Featuring one-touch takeoff, spot hovering, return to home, and smart follow modes. With advanced smart features, even complete beginners can fly them. FPV drones. They have a steep learning curve and lack automatic hover assistance, requiring constant manual control of the joysticks to maintain attitude during flight. Beginners must spend considerable time practicing on FPV simulators before they can minimize the risk of crashes during actual flights. Flight, feel, and stability. Standard drones. The flight control system and gimbal work together to provide exceptional stabilization, keeping the drone steady and ensuring smooth footage. FPV drones. Extremely powerful and highly maneuverable, with lightning-fast response times. Capable of rapid dives, sharp turns, and rolls, it easily reaches speeds of over 150 kilometers per hour. While its maneuverability is top-notch, maintaining stable control requires a certain level of skill. Image quality and shooting style. Standard drones. High-end aerial photography drones are equipped with high-performance imaging systems and stabilized gimbals, enabling cinema-quality footage. Entry-level drones typically feature 4K cameras and compact, lightweight designs, making them ideal for capturing everyday travel memories and exploring new perspectives. FPV drones. The development of video transmission systems for FPV drones has shifted toward high-definition. Mainstream HD video transmission systems can deliver low-latency, 720p or 1080p image transmission, though their built-in recording capabilities are limited. However, thanks to the high performance and maneuverability of FPV drones, they can be equipped with high-end external camera systems to capture high-quality, high-speed chase footage in scenarios requiring professional-grade filming. Speed and endurance. Standard drones. Low speed, stable flight, and long flight time, typically 25 to 45 minutes. FPV drones. They are far faster than ordinary drones and have strong explosive power. To meet performance requirements, high-power motors are used, which results in a shorter flight time. Typically, FPV freestyle drones have a flight time of 5 to 8 minutes. Structure and safety. Standard drones. They fly at moderate speeds and have a high margin for error. Typically equipped with advanced obstacle avoidance systems, they offer a high level of safety overall. FPV drones. They have powerful engines and simple control systems. No obstacle avoidance capabilities. They require the pilot to control the flight continuously throughout and pose a certain degree of risk. Target audience. Choose a standard drone, ideal for those seeking convenience, for capturing everyday moments, and for occasional video and photography projects. Choosing a FPV drone. For tech enthusiasts who seek the thrill of flight, aren't satisfied with the maneuverability of standard drones, and require greater agility, such as for high-speed car chase footage, an FPV drone is the ideal choice.